exercise. Complétez les phrases avec le passé composé. Complete the sentences with the passé composé. Before we are going to do this exercise, see the pronouns. Here we have to revise two pronouns. One is pronoun sujet, subject pronouns which I have learnt in the 11th standard. Sujet. Sujet is je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So this everything you learnt in the 11th standard. This is thus call it as a subject pronoun. See another pronoun we are having, pronoun disjoint, disjointive pronoun or tonic pronoun. Tonic also we learnt in 11th standard itself. When subject is je, so tonic pronoun is mo. When subject is tu, toi. Il, lui. When it is elle, it's again elle. Nous, nous only. Vous, it's again vous. Il, here you have to EUX. ELS, it's again ELLES. So this you have to remember. And subjunctive pronoun and subject pronoun. Tu, toi, lui, il, elle, elle, nous, nous, vous, vous, eux, il, elle, elle. So see here, the asking is to put in the passé composé. See how we can write the passé composé. What are the rules for passé composé? Just recaps that also. Okay. Passé composé is a present tense of avoir or être plus past participle. Avoir, être, we are going to be used as a auxiliary verb or helping verbs. And when we have to use avoir as the auxiliary verb and when we have to use être as the auxiliary verb. If you are not sure how to conjugate the verb to passé composé, please check my previous video. I already put passé composé how you have to conjugate. That you can see again, then it is easy for you to conjugate the verb in passé composé. And there I teach you where you have to use avoir, where you have to use être, how you have to change this verb as a passé composé. Everything I teach there. So please go and check this video again. Okay. So rules for passé composé is present tense of avoir or être plus past participle. So this is the auxiliary verb for avoir or être. So hours is found in the domestic parentage list. Are not found in the domestic parentage list, we can use the avoir as the auxiliary verb. And how to get the past participle? So again, past participles word you can get the stem and ending you can see. Okay, see here. First one. C'est moi qui. Moi is used for je. Subject pronoun is je. And the verb we have to conjugate it in passé composé, c'est laver. C'est moi qui s'est lavé la première. It's me or I or got up first. I who got up first. Okay. Se lever is the verb is you have to conjugate it in passé composé. So what kind of verb is it? It is a reflexive verb. Okay, or pronominal verb. It is not found in the domestic parasites. All the pronominal verbs or reflexive verbs we need to use être as the auxiliary verb. When the subject is and pronoun is moi and the equivalent subject pronoun for moi is je, so you can use je. Être conjugation for je, so reflexive verb we have to use because we have to use the conjugation of être also for je conjugation of être is present tense of être is je suis. Okay, before we need to put may, pronominal reflexive pronoun or reflexive pronoun or pronominal pronouns. You have to use m. Say moi, qui, reflexive pronoun me, and present tense of être for je is suis, and lever is the past participle cut er and e acute. And the agreement we are done here, we are added here e because we are using être. Why we are added e? Because who is saying we is maybe a girl or maybe a boy, so we have to use a bracket one more e. Okay, we are not sure if it is a girl or feminine, so we have to use bracket e. So if you sure we can add, we are not sure, so you have to use bracket and add e in the end. Okay, so it's this way you have to write. So what we did, check the pronominal disjoint and pronominal sujet you have to choose, and before choosing check the verb and it is être or avoir you have to check. According to that you have to write. C'est moi qui me suis levé la première. It's I got up first. I was the one who got up first. Second one. C'est lui, lui, third person's masculine singular. It's lui. For pronoun sujet is il. See the table in the side, you can identify. Okay. Lui, subject pronoun is AIL, il, and reflexive pronoun is SE, it's S apostrophe A. For être conjugation for ES and EST. And pronominate, you have to, past participle, you have to write cut ER and E acute. We need to any agreement because it is identified, it is a third person masculine singular, so no need to do the agreement at the end. Okay, it's he who went for a walk for a long time on the street. Okay, third one, c'est toi is the equivalent subject pronoun is tu, and être verb conjugation for tui is T apostrophe reflexive verb, and es is the être conjugation. Balade is cut er and e acute, and then we need to put the agreement. Fourth one, shall al qui se maquille avec grand soin. It's she who have put on makeup is a great cap. So reflexive verb. So al is again être as auxiliary verb. Present tense of être is est, and reflexive pronoun is say s apostrophe because être verb is start with vowel. So s apostrophe maquille is a cutting er and e acute, and it is you can add at the agreement e because it is given al is a feminine identification, so you have to add e at the end. So it is a third person feminine singular, so you have to add e. Last one, c'est vous qui dash c'est couché toi. It's you who went to bed early. So for who is a subject pronoun also who, and a reflexive pronoun is also who, and eth conjugation for who is ete. E circumflex tes, and push a you have to cut e acute, and you have to do the agreement because who is a plural form, so you have to add s at the end. Okay, thank you.